going to Westway. We're gonna go look at the new McLaren that hit a chair on the highway.
Stay tuned, because I filmed some stuff yesterday of me cleaning my car, but actually, we should probably go through a wash with your, yeah, we should probably take this through a wash or something.
Today?
Probably, before we head up there. This thing's dirty. See that?
Can we do this touchless wash?
Probably want to do like a...
I hate washing it by hand. Dang, you're right.
Got a good rev for the M3.
It's nice. It looks like it's wrapped like matte blue or something.
That looks nice. I like the look of that.
Oh, good. You know, it's the best job because you don't have to do any of the manual labor.
Yeah.
You get to wash. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not do that on purpose, by the way.
I don't think you got me there.
I legit didn't know. Let me scrub your butt here.
Yes.
Dude, that's a good thumbnail. Scrubbing an M3's butt.
Bro, got a minute left.
Is there a continue button?
Deposit more?
Yeah, press that.
4 minutes.
Yeah, whatever on here, I don't have to, I'm like in the middle of washing it, and it always turns off before I have time to do it. See, spraying you on purpose is something I would do, but we don't have time to do that.
Yeah.
So I'm not trying to do that. Always do top to bottom, homie. Always do top to bottom.
Always.
That hurt. Alright, go for it.
Stop favorites. And that's it.
I think we're good.
Nice. Nice and clean now.
Okay, you want to do one so I can hurry up?
You got it easy. You don't have to carry a camera and try and do this.
Oh, sorry. Look at that smile. You see?
Happy smile.
How do you go down my road going fast to see that smile? Like,
I know, it's so good.
what's that about?
Nice. That should be good then?
Yeah. Is that dry? It does that when you, when it's warm. It's really...
This guy go. So yeah, next we are going up to the body shop and we're going to take a look at the cars. So we will catch y'all there.
Come on, this is bad A.
Hey, that was loud.
That was bad A, wasn't it?
Oh.
We did a rev off.
Yeah, ready.
Ooh, that sounds good.
That is so good.
I didn't have time to catch up because the guy on the end.
Yeah.
But I could have got you in the third. He got him!
State trooper.
No! Got the Cadillac, bro! He got the Cadillac! Oh, can we get an F in the chat, boys? Can we get an F in the chat for the Cadillac?
Okay. It's not coming around for us, so we should be fine.
Yeah, we should be good. We got the sad part is we weren't filming the day I got my car, and we got pulled over.
Yeah. Westway Collision Center. Let them know you're here.
We're loud.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, homie?
How's everything?
Good, how about you?
Good, man. Thanks for stopping by. Haven't seen you guys in a minute.
Yeah, where should I park?
You can park over there next to Alex's.
Okay, sounds good.
Nice.
Bro, you sold my car, the F-130.
Yeah, sorry, bro.
What is this?
The Gixxer. Come on.
Nice. This is how you die on the highway. I'll have one of those.
Yeah?
In the back of my house, I've got a E36.
Oh, yeah.
It needs a lot of work.
I told you, bring it, come drop it off.
I need to get that thing on a trailer.
Hey, we got one. We gonna pick it up. We got a trailer.
Yeah, dude, that'd be a fun. Dude, drift car?
Yeah.
That would be fun, dude.
That's pretty bad. He hit a couch on the highway.
A couch on the highway?
Oh, I thought it was just a chair.
That's what I heard. Yeah, it's like 45K worth of damage.
45 G's
In the couch.
for hitting a couch on the highway. Jeez, dude. It's sad shape though. So tell us the story. What happened to this?
So the owner, he was driving on the highway and he hit a couch and the couch exploded. So the car like literally was like a freaking arrow.
Yeah.
So it just like went straight through it and it just exploded the couch everywhere, all over the highway. So, and it also cost about 45K worth of damage.
45 grand.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
You're talking a brand new, like, a lot of things. Yeah. You can get like a used M3 and M4. I mean, you can get a 2015 M4 for 34 grand, but just the front end damage alone is an M3 or an M4. That's rough. Yeah, so these are the 19 competition wheels that are on it.
You got it powder coated?
Yep, powder coated bronze. She got fully rebuilt by a BMW shop. It's a friend of ours. So she'd be cleaner if I didn't live on a dirt road or she was ceramic coated.
How much do you want for it?
You gotta give me a Lambo or something, GTR, before I sell it. This is gonna be worth like 100 G's in a few years. I found the same car, little less miles, still waiting for sale for 40 grand.
I used to have one, man. I had one like this hardtop.
Hardtop. I was gonna get a hardtop, but I couldn't find a good.
I'm looking for one right now and I can't find it. I'm looking for E46 M3 or E39 M5. And I cannot find them anywhere.
I'll tell you if I find one. I know.
Please.
Because my buddy who works on this, he gets all his parts from BMW direct, and it's way cheaper. He gets people that just trade them into him.
Really?
So he can.
And if you find one, I'm like really in the market.
Ooh, Ferrari looks nice. It looks nice wrapped white.
Dude, that looks so good.
It actually looks clean, and like the black top as well.
Do we need it?
I think so. Nice red interior. This looks really nice and white.
It
looks so much better in white.
Yeah, we're gonna do the wheels black too.
Oh yes.
So, and then we're gonna do those fins black.
It looks so good in white.
Yeah.
The gray just like didn't pop.
She's open.
She's open for your viewing pleasures.
When are you gonna let me take this home?
When you bring the down payment.
It's right there. It's right there.
It's right there?
Yeah, it's M3.
Yeah, they just got this in too.
It's nice.
This thing has, I think, 15 miles on it. 15 miles on it.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it had some damage though, but we're still working on it.
Oh wait, this was the Mercedes loaner car, right? How do you mess that up? Damn. Showroom people?
Showroom, bro. Literally pulling it into the showroom. They hit the door or whatever.
Oh.
You think that guy's still working there?
Oh, that's I don't know, let me go ask him at the unemployment probably, dude. He's definitely not working there. That's for surely.
Dude, that's crazy.
That thing's a beast, man. That thing's a beast.
That's loud!
So loud.
Hey.
Dude, that thing is so
You had to do that next to my car. Dang it.
It's gonna rock somewhere. They all flew that way. I didn't get
Jesus.
that was solid though.
That was solid.
So that's alright. You can't do it when you're driving it. Dude, my ears hurt, dude. I'll tell you that much.
Jeez.
You felt it, don't you?
I felt it in my chest.
Yeah, I got that plain old frog.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That thing is loud. Like, I don't even think it's gonna come on video how loud that thing is. Dude, that was great. Dude, that's freaking great.
That is great. That is so good.
That's nice, right? Oh, damn.
Oh, those pops.
That's nice. Oh, he's fast. Oh, he's gone. We're kind of keeping up with him, but not really.
No.
That was fast. Hey, Lamborghini next. We need a Lambo. Guys, YouTube, we need a Lambo so we can keep up with him.
Yeah.
Let's make it happen, boys. Gone! He's gone! Oh, he's gone! Dude, that's fine. He's fast. Sorry, Audi. Alright guys, thanks for watching Limitless Cars. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video because we have the NSX coming in and y'all are gonna love that. Peace!